Hi friends, welcome to International Maths Olympiad videos. Standard 10th, video number 6, real numbers, section B, tough. Let's start. 4 different electronic devices beep after 30 minutes, 1 hour, 1.5 hour and 1 and 3/4 hour respectively. If they beep together at 12 noon, when will they beep together again? Bring all of them in terms of minutes. 30 minutes, 30 minutes, okay. 1 hour, 60 minutes. 1.5 hour, 90 minutes. 1 and 3/4 hour, 105 minutes, right? Now find the LCM of 30, 60, 90 and 105. LCM is to be found by this method. 30, 60, 90, 105 and start with 15. 15 2s are 4s are 6s are 7s are then 2 1s are 2s are 3s are, and if you cannot divide, keep it as it is. Then again 2 1s are 1s are 3 you cannot divide, keep it as it is. Then 3 1 1 1 7, then 7 1 1 1, then multiply everyone. That becomes 1260. So 1260 minutes is the LCM of all these 4. Now divide it by 60 because we have to convert it to hours. So 1260 upon 60, that is 21 hours. So 21 hours means what? Now they have beeped at 12 noon. After 21 hours means what? At 9 am next day they will again beep together. A boy was asked to multiply a given number by 8 by 17. Instead, he divided the given number by 8 by 17 and got the result 225 more what he should have got if he had multiplied the number by 8 by 17. Therefore, the given number was here. He was told to multiply that x number. Let the number be x. He was told to multiply it by 8 by 17. But what he did, he divided it by 8 by 17. So, let's do these actions first. What he was asked to do? Multiply it. X into. To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.